asked ChatGPT to predict 2050, the results shocked me. What if I told you that by 2050, the world will be completely different? Flying cars, AI doctors, human-like robots, and even mind-controlled devices. Well, I asked ChatGPT to predict the future, and what it revealed was absolutely mind-blowing. Stay tuned because you won't believe what's coming next. Let's start with the biggest changes coming in 2050, according to AI. Hyper-advanced AI. Artificial intelligence will be 1,000x smarter than today. AI-powered teachers, AI lawyers, even AI presidents? Who needs humans anymore? Show clips of AI robots in offices and schools. Space colonization. NASA and SpaceX are already planning Mars missions, but by 2050, humans may be living on Mars. Imagine waking up to a Martian sunrise. Show concept art of Mars colonies. Mind-controlled tech. Neural implants will allow us to browse the internet with our minds. That's right, no phones, no keyboards, just pure thoughts. Scientists are already working on age-reversing technology. By 2050, people might live up to 150 years or more. Will we ever die? But hold on, not all of ChatGPT's predictions were exciting. Some were downright terrifying. Robots will replace millions of jobs, even CEOs. What happens when AI doesn't need us anymore? Facial recognition, brain implants, and AI tracking everything you do. Could 2050 be the end of privacy? If AI gets too smart, could it decide humans are obsolete? But ChatGPT's craziest prediction, humanity will merge with AI. By 2050, humans could upload their minds to the cloud, becoming immortal digital beings. That means your consciousness could live forever. What if you never had to die? What if you could download your brain into a robot and keep living? So, is 2050 going to be a dream world or a nightmare? One thing's for sure, AI is changing everything. What do you think? Will AI take over or will we control it? Drop a comment below. If you love crazy futuristic predictions like this, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. More wild tech predictions coming soon.